The best dash cams are designed to give you peace of mind when you're behind the wheel, capturing video evidence of everything that happens on the road around you. The guide below features the ranked results of our expert dashcam reviews, covering everything from simple, affordable options to premium models with multiple cameras, all to help you find the right in-car camera for your needs and budget. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best dashcams and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. As always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. Vantrue E1. The best low-profile 4K dashcam. Neat and relatively compact, the Vantrue E1 is an attractive dashcam that's capable of recording 2.5K video at 30 fps. It can also record full HD footage at a smoother 60 fps for enhanced detail while you drive. Results in our review proved sharp night and day, with accurate colors and acceptable noise in low light. Our testing also revealed that the optional polarizing filter usefully reduces dashboard reflections. The E1's magnetic mount works well, but the lack of sideways adjustment does limit its use if you can't fit it centrally. If you can, you'll find that its 160-degree angle captures a wide view of what's ahead. A tiny 1.54-inch screen offers a preview when installing, but the smartphone app is the more useful way to tweak settings. You don't get the driver assistance systems of other dashcams, so it's up to you or your vehicle to spot speed cameras and potential collisions. That said, you still get Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity, and we like that Vantrue has focused on video quality over unnecessary extras. Number 4. Nexar Pro. The best dashcam for high-mileage drivers. Aimed at those who spend extended periods behind the wheel, the Nexar Pro is a dual-cam solution that can record video both inside and outside a vehicle. Comprised of 2 separate camera units connected by a cable, we found the setup to be pretty neat, even if it took up a fair bit of screen real estate. The Nexar app is central to the twin camera experience. It's where you can fine-tune settings, generate incident reports, and back-recorded clips up to the cloud. Nexar bundles cloud storage in for free. Other useful tools include break-in alerts if someone tries to tamper with your car, as well as GPS data logging. This dashcam doesn't record in 4K, but we found its 1080p video to be perfectly serviceable. The external camera fares well even in tricky shooting situations, from heavy rain to bright sunshine. There are cheaper dashcams out there with fewer features to play with, but if the security of your car is crucial to your daily life, the Pro is hard to beat in terms of protection and overall value. A fine dual camera solution for those who need both dash cam and in-car security, the Nexar Pro is a particularly good choice for high-mileage drivers. Its 1080p video is great quality and backed up by GPS data, while the app contains a host of neat tricks. Free cloud storage makes the bundle top value too. Number 3. Nextbase IQ Smart Dashcam. The best all-in-one dashcam with smart features. A smart surveillance camera for your car, the Nextbase IQ is as feature-packed as dashcams come. Available in 1K, 2K, and 4K variants, it's a premium solution with a suite of connected skills. That includes parking assistance, a voice-activated witness mode, and the ability to check in on your vehicle via the Nextbase IQ app, as well as GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity. All 3 versions include an interior camera, and there's an optional rear-facing unit. You'll need a paid subscription to get the full benefit of its abilities, including cloud storage, real-time notifications, and AI-powered driver assistance modes. As a result, the IQ can quickly become a costly bit of kit, but our tests found that it's also an impressive one. The setup proved simple in our review, while the app made it easy to access its many features. Footage and audio from our 4K review unit were predictably excellent too. Because power is delivered directly from the car's battery, the system remains active even when the engine's off. It will be overkill for many road users, but if you want a complete, all-in-one camera to monitor your car at all times, the Nextbase IQ is as clever as it comes. Number 2. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, the best budget dash cam. The Garmin Mini 2 is a dash cam tiny enough to disappear behind your car's rear view mirror. Despite its size, it records in full HD at 30 fps with HDR, producing footage that's sharp enough to pick out key details like registration plates, regardless of the ambient light and weather conditions. We found installation quick and simple. The compact plastic arm takes up very little windscreen space, while the ball and socket joint makes it easy to reposition. Given how small it is, we think most users will want to leave the Mini 2 permanently in place. The interface is similarly accessible. There's no display, but shortcut buttons let you save clips and mute the mic with one touch. The Garmin Drive smartphone app for iOS and Android is where you can easily change further settings, review recordings, and check the camera's view. It also helps to make the initial setup straightforward. While features are limited to voice controls and a sensor that can detect collisions, we felt that GPS was the only real omission. Unless you need the best dash cam with driver assistance functions, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 will leave you wanting very little. Simple, subtle, and reliable, it's the definition of set and forget technology. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a tiny dash cam that puts a focus on simplicity. Instead of overwhelming you with features you'll never use, the Mini 2 captures high-quality HE footage and has a useful set of voice control commands. Video quality is good, the smartphone app works well, and the camera is easy to swap out if you own multiple vehicles. Number 1. Nextbase 622 GO. The best dash cam overall. With impressive video quality and a flagship feature set, the Nextbase 622 GO is the best dash cam you can buy right now. We found its 4K/30 footage almost cinematic in testing, with crisp definition and outstanding detail. Low light and poor weather algorithms also improve results in tricky conditions. Drop down to 1080 and you can shoot 120 fps slow-mo, which makes it easier to pinpoint things like registration numbers. Setup was slightly fiddly, and the 3-inch touchscreen does require obvious swipe inputs. We also had some trouble connecting to our smartphones to transfer video clips. That said, we still think the 622 GO is a simple camera to use overall. We found its interface intuitive, while the display is big, sharp, and clear. Footage is automatically saved when an incident is detected, while a big red button lets you manually save moments. We were impressed in our review with how effectively the built-in polarizing filter reduced windscreen glare, and how well the digital image stabilization soaked up road vibrations. And thanks to clever 3 words integration, the 622 GO can pinpoint the location of stricken vehicles and send it on to emergency vehicles. There are less bulky alternatives with better voice control, but if you want a dash cam that reliably captures clear 4K video, the 622 GO is our pick. With the Nextbase 622 GO featuring a built-in polarizing filter, image stabilization, 4K video resolution, and excellent night vision mode, the resulting footage is of excellent quality, making it extremely easy to pick out number plate and vehicle details in all conditions. The addition of Alexa voice control and 3 words emergency geolocation are welcome added bonuses.